Strong winds that may cause damage are expected today across portions of southern Saskatchewan, including Regina, Weyburn, Estevan. Heads up for winds that could potentially exceed well over 90 kilometers an hour. Now, this is all courtesy due to a rapidly new forming low pressure system. Now, with that, a cold front is expected to be dragging very strong northwesterly winds that could be bringing in some very windy conditions as we head through Thursday morning into the afternoon. You can see how potent the winds are. That could be potentially causing some power outages as well as tree damage. But the good news with this, we could be expecting the winds to slowly ease by the time we head into the evening.